Next, second Roman, exercise 7.3, second Roman. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Already we know collinear points. Once again, see the definition of collinear points. Collinear points. Three or more points lie on the same line are called collinear points. Okay, three or more points lie on the same line. Then the points are called collinear points. Okay, if given 3 points are collinear, then triangle cannot be formed with given 3 points, because given 3 points form a line segment. Okay, triangle can form with only non-collinear points, 3 non-collinear points. Okay, triangle can form with only 3 non-collinear points. Suppose 3 points are collinear, then triangle cannot be formed. Okay, suppose if 3 points are given, 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle is equal to 0, because there is no triangle. That's why area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. This is the condition. Okay, once again, 3 or more points lie on the same line are called collinear points. Okay, so if 3 given points are collinear, then triangle cannot be formed with the given 3 points, because triangle can form with only 3 non-collinear points. Triangle can be formed with only 3 non-collinear points. But here these 3 points are collinear, so triangle cannot be formed. If collinear points form only a line segment. Okay, suppose given 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle is equal to 0. Given points are collinear, then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0, because there is no triangle. That's why area of the triangle is equal to 0. Okay, given points are collinear, then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Now see once again, second Roman. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The points are collinear. First write given points. Given points are first point we can take in as A, 7, -2, B, 5, 1, and final point C is 3, K. Okay, 7, -2, 5, 1, C is equal to 3, K. Okay, given 3 points are collinear. What is the given information? Given 3 points are collinear. If 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle formed with given 3 points is equal to 0. Okay, if 3 points are collinear, then area of the triangle is equal to 0. Write here, given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. So therefore, area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0, because given points are collinear. So triangle cannot be formed with given 3 points. There is no triangle. That's why area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Now write area of the triangle formula. Area of the triangle is equal to, the formula is 1/2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. This is also area of the triangle ABC is also equal to 0. Okay. Now first point we can take it as x1 y1. Second point we can take it as x2 y2. And third point is x3 y3. Okay. Substitute all these values in given this formula. Okay. 1 by 2 modulus x1. The value of x1 is 7 into y2. The value of y2 is 1 minus y3. The value of y3 is k plus x2. x2 value 5 into y3. The value of y3 is k minus y1. y1 value minus 2 plus x3. The value of x3 is 3 into y1. y1 value minus 2 minus y2 value 1 is equal to 0. Check once again. x1 7, y2 1, y3 k plus x2 5, y3 k, y1 minus 2, x3 3, y1 minus 2 and y2 1. Okay. Now here 1 by 2 modulus. So 1 minus k multiply with 7. 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus. Okay. See once again. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 into k 7k plus 5 into k minus into minus plus 2 5 k minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 7 into 1 7 minus 7k plus minus into minus plus 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Observe here 1 by 2 by 2 division quantity becomes into quantity. Transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. Division quantity becomes into quantity. So 0 into 2 0 into 2 0. Okay. By division quantity becomes into 0 into 2 0. RHS value 0. So modulus 7 minus 7k. 7 minus 7k plus 5 into k. 5 into k 5k. 5 into 2 10. 5k plus 5 2s are 10. 5k plus 5 2s are 10. 5 into k 5k plus 5 2s are 10. Plus into minus. Minus 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 is equal to 0 into 2 0. Plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9. Modulus. Write all numerical numbers here. 7 plus 10 minus 9 plus 7 plus 10 minus 9. Next minus 7k plus 5k. Modulus is equal to 0. 7 plus 10 minus 9 minus 7k plus 5k is equal to 0. Now 7 plus 10 17. 17 minus 9 17 minus 9 8. 8 minus 7k plus 5k minus 7 plus 5 minus 2 minus 2k is equal to 0. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. Okay. Minus 7 plus 5, minus 2. Minus 2k is equal to 0. Now remove the modulus. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. Remove the modulus. 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. Okay. Now transpose 8 from LHS to RHS. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. Remaining value minus 2k is equal to 0 minus 8. That is minus 8. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. Observe here, minus 2 into k. Minus 2 into k into quantity. Into quantity becomes division quantity. So transpose minus 2 from LHS to RHS. Into quantity becomes by. So k is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 into becomes by. Minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Okay, so k is equal to 4. Okay, what is the question? Find the value of k given points are collinear. So k is equal to 4. Okay. Second problem. Second problem. The given points are first point we can take it as A 8 comma 1, B k comma minus 4, C 2 comma minus 5. These are the given 3 points. We have to find, given information is given points are collinear. We have to find the value of k. Okay. Now, given points are collinear. What is the given condition? Given points are collinear. Then the area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. If given points are collinear, then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Now write the formula for area of the triangle ABC. The formula is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay, area of the triangle is equal to 0. The formula for area of the triangle is 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now first point we can take it as x1 y1, second point x2 y2, and third point is x3 y3. Now substitute all these values in this formula. 1 by 2 modulus. The value of x1 is 8 into y2 value minus 4 minus y3. The value of y3 is minus 5 plus x2. The value of x2 is k into y3 value minus 5 minus y1. The value of y1 is 1 plus x3 2 into y1 value 1 minus y2 value minus 4 is equal to 0. Check once again. x1 8 y2 minus 4 y3 minus 5 x2 k y3 minus 5 y1 1 x3 2 y1 1 y2 minus 4. Okay, 1 by 2 modulus 8 into minus 4 minus into minus plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1 value minus 6 plus 2 into 1 minus into minus plus 4 is equal to 0. Now 1 by 2. So transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. Division quantity becomes into quantity. Okay, 0 into 2 is equal to 0. So RHS value 0. So modulus 8 into minus 4 plus 5. 5 minus 4 plus 1 plus into minus 6 into k 6k plus into minus 6 into k 6k. Next plus 1 plus 4 5 twos are 10 is equal to, so 2 into 0 transpose these 2 from LHS to RHS. Division quantity becomes into quantity. 2 into 0 okay. 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 10 is equal to 0. Now add numerical values. 8 plus 10 18 minus 6k modulus 8 plus 10 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. So remove the modulus. The value is 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Okay. So transpose plus 18 from LHS to RHS. Plus 18 becomes minus 18. Minus 6k is equal to 0 minus 18, that is minus 18. Okay, plus 18 becomes minus 18. See here, minus 6 into k, minus 6 into k. So into quantity, transpose this minus 6 from LHS to RHS. Into quantity becomes division quantity. So k is equal to minus 18 by minus 6 into minus 6, that is by 6 minus 6. Okay, minus cancel. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. Okay, so therefore k is equal to 3. Okay, the value of k is 3. Next, third problem. Second Roman third problem. Given points are first point we can take in as A, k comma k. Second point we can take in as B, 2 comma 3. And third point is C, 4 comma minus 1. We have to find the value of k. Given condition is given points are collinear. Given points are collinear. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Given points are collinear, then area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. Now write the formula for area of the triangle ABC. What is the formula? 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So area of the triangle ABC formula 1 by 2 modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now first point we can take as x1 comma y1. Second point we can take as x2 comma y2, and third point is x3 comma y3. Okay, now substitute the values of all these values in this formula. 1 by 2 modulus x1 value k, y2 value 3 minus y3, the value of y3 is minus 1 plus x2 value 2 into y3, the value of y3 is minus 1 minus y1, the value of y1 is k, plus x3 value 4, y1 value k minus y2 value 3 is equal to 0. Check once again. x1 k, y2 3, y3 minus 1, x2 2, y3 minus 1, y1 k, x3 4, y1 k, y2 3. Okay, 1 by 2 modulus k into 3 minus into minus plus 1, minus into minus plus 1 plus, so 2 into minus 1 minus k plus 4 into k minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now 1 by 2 modulus 3 plus 1 4 into k 4k, 3 plus 1 4 into k 4k. Now multiply 2 and minus 1, plus into minus 2 ones are 2. Next plus into minus 2 into k 2k, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus k minus 2k. Okay, next 4 into k plus 4k, plus into minus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. Okay, 3 plus 1 4 into k 4k, plus into minus 2 ones are 2, plus into minus 2 into k 2k, 4 into k 4k, plus into minus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. Now transpose this 2 from LHS to RHS. Division quantity becomes into quantity. So 0 into 2, 0. Remaining value is modulus 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 plus 4k minus 12 is equal to, so 2 into 0, 0. Division quantity becomes into 2 into 0, 0. Okay, 4k minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we add all k values. 4k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, 2k plus 4k, 6k. Okay, 6k or 4k plus 4k, 8k minus 2k, 6k, 8 minus 2, 6k. Next, minus 2 minus 12, minus 2 minus 12, minus 14, minus 2 minus 12, minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, 4k plus 4k, 8k, 8k minus 2k, 8 minus 2, 6k, minus 2 minus 12, minus 14 is equal to 0. Now remove the modulus. Remaining value is 6k minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, 6k is equal to, transpose this 14 from LHS to RHS. Minus 14 becomes plus 14. So plus 14. Okay, once again, transpose this 6 from LHS to RHS. 6 into quantity becomes division quantity. So k is equal to 14 by 6. Okay, 6 1 cancel with the second table. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, the value of k is equal to